Welcome to Dawn of Cooking, and in this week's video I'll be making classic French toast but with a twist. So come along with me in this video and let's get started. Well, hi, I'm Dawn from Dawn of Cooking. I live in Alaska, have a huge family, and on my channel I like to serve up easy, simple recipes that your whole family will love. So welcome to my cooking family. So what's something that comes out in the stores this time of year that we all love? Eggnog. Yes, eggnog. So this French toast is going to be made with eggnog. So it's really easy because now you don't have to add sugar or vanilla to your eggs. So all we need is eggs, eggnog, and some cinnamon, and you've got a great French toast. So let's do the recipe right now. Now in today's recipe, I'll be using eggnog. So every egg gets a 1/4 cup of the eggnog to turn out to be the beautiful French toast. Now you want to beat these really good. When I make French toast, I always figure 1 egg and a 1/4 cup of milk. But in the recipe today, our secret ingredient is going to be eggnog. So this adds a nice holiday flavor to your French toast. All you have to do now is put your bread in the eggnog egg mixture and let it soak. So I usually turn it a couple times, just let it soak up really good since the bread is thick. Some butter all over the grill. I have my griddle set at about 350. One thing with French toast is you want to make sure you don't turn it too soon because you do want the middle to not be soggy. Thanks for coming along with me in this video making the French toast. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a little message in the comment section below the video, and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking!